Hello guys, good morning. So to this video, punta tayo ng Dueñas. Samahan nyo ako guys, pupuntang Dueñas kasi meron kaming puntahan ni Cupcake na family, one of the family member na namatay. So pupunta ako dun ngayon pang makiramay. So, ngayon na dito kami sa Leganes. Ayan guys. So, Sunday kasi ngayon. Ayan, ma-traffic dito sa Leganes. Ayan. Nani guys. This is the hometown of Leganes. Ayan. Maraming jeep. Ayan. Siyempre, daming nagsisimba kaya pag Sunday dito sa Leganes. Sobrang traffic kaya. Ayan yung Leganes Market. Daanan natin yung Leganes Market. Yung kanilang public market. Ayan. Leganes Public Market. Ayan, so yung series o yung truck nag-stop muna sa bus stop. Kasi mayroong aakyat na passenger. As you can see, stop over muna, waiting from the another passengers.
Si Mary, wala ka pumunta ba sa iyo?
So, hintay lang muna hanggang makakyat na yung mga pasahero. Okay, so moving forward na, ayun, lumalakad na. Patakbo na yung bus. Okay, so yan yung pedestrian lane sa Leganes. Yan guys, tingnan nyo guys, sobrang traffic. Overload sa traffic talaga yung Leganes every Sunday. Ayan, daanan namin yung bahay ni Ma'am Pet. Hello, Ma'am Pet. Alis kami muna. So, ito naman guys, after ng Leganes, approaching tayo sa Saraga. Ayan. Saraga is one of the town, yung the most well-known dito is yung Pantatan Festival. So, ito yung Saraga, Iloilo. Ayan yung, yung pantat o yung fish. Ayan. That is the pantat or yung fish nila. Or yung hito. Ayan, daanan din ng kanilang church. So, then, ayan guys, bago kami punta ng Putotan, nakita ko yun, yung malaking statue ni Jesus. Approaching na naman tayo ng Putotan. Ayun yung kanilang hospital. Ayan. So, daanan naman natin yung Putotan. Approaching tayo sa Putotan. As you can see, before you gonna reach the Putotan Plaza, meron ka pang daanan, the corner, yung mag-turn left ka para makapunta ng Putotan Plaza. However, if you can see, may previous vlog ako na yung grilled balut doon sa may plaza. Kita nyo siguro kung ano yung kabuuan ng plaza ng Putotan. Pero ngayon, hindi tayo ma-drop over doon kasi continuous yung biyahe natin papuntang Dueñas. Kasi this time, yung plan lang talaga is traveling going to Dueñas, to my hometown. So, daan-daanan tayo ng main road. Kita nyo yun lang yung main road namin dito sa Pinas, dito sa Iloilo City. So this is the main road going to Pototan. So nadaanan natin bago ka kasi pupunta na po ng Dueñas. Daanan mo yung Liganes, Saraga, then Pototan, then syempre yung Dingli. Kaso lang we cannot go to the main proper of Dingli. Daanan lang natin siya. Ayan, may Jollibee na sa Pototan. So, approaching, nandito na tayo sa Pototan. So, after that, madaanan natin yung sideway ng Dingli. But we cannot going down to Dingli because you have to turn right going to the proper town of Dingli. Wow! Meron pa kaming haggard na police. Ayun, social si Emmy Cooper kasi meron siyang haggard na police. Sana all nilong haggard. Diwa. Bongga na, diba? So, ayan. Sideway lang yung daanan. Right side as well. Ito yung napukor ng Dingli. Ayan. Yan yung substation. Yung main station ng electric power ng Dingli. So, ayan yan. As you can see guys, we are approaching now to Dueñas. Ayan. Kasi alam mo yung pag Dueñas, ayan, you can see on your right side and left side of the bridge or along the highway there was a sugar cane plantation. So yung Dueñas guys, marami talaga yung Dueñas going to Pasin and San Enrique. Yun talaga maraming plantation ng sugar cane. So nag-stop over nga muna dito kasi may bumaba na passenger. So as you can see, there's on my right side and left side, there's a lot of plantation of sugar cane. So yeah, see there, all over sugar cane yan. It's a wide plantation of sugar cane. So we're going to across the bridge now. See, we're approaching now to Dueñas. Yeah, you can see left and right, the green one, that is the sugar cane plantation here in Dueñas, Iloilo. So see, this is the main road. So we are approaching now. We are near now. Malapit na kaming bumaba. Ayan. So, I'm proud to introduce to you my hometown, which is Dueñas, Iloilo. Daming sugar cane. Ayan. Okay, malapit na. Bababa na kami. Makita mo na yung malapit na yung cemetery. So, sa harapan kami ng cemetery, bababa. Then, after that, sasakay naman kami ulit ng motorcycle going to the Punong Grande. So, ito na, nandito na kami. Ayan. Ayan. So, yan, doon sa yung daan na papunta yung bahay namin dati. So, ayan, sumasakay na kami ni Cupcake ng motorcycle. Ayan, we're going to Punong Grande now. Sobrang init talaga, guys. Ay, nakita yung legs ko sa reflection ng mirror. Oh! Hindi ko nakita. Oh my God. Ayan. So, this is the plaza of Dueñas. So, hindi din kami bababa, guys. Kasi, if you can see, last time, meron din akong vlog dyan ng fiesta ng Dueñas. Ayan. Yan, daming plantation ng sugar cane. Dami talaga. Ayan. So, nakita.
Then, right space 2.
So, we're crossing the bridge now, going to Pudong. Oh, ito pala. Going home na kami. Sorry. We're going home now. Until next time. Thank you for watching my vlog. Hope you enjoy it. Have a good day. Bye.